Look, we could sit here and have a long discussion about what platform does what, diving into every tiny detail about the best website builder, like Hostinger versus WordPress. Or I can break it all down for you so you can start building your dream website, and I can get back to making more videos for you. So let's not waste time. Which platform is right for you? Hostinger or WordPress? Let's find out. So Hostinger versus WordPress. What are these tools even for? The Hostinger website builder is an intuitive drag and drop platform built to simplify the web design process. It's tailored for beginners and anyone looking for a straightforward way to build a website and create a professional online presence. No extra setup required. You get the builder with hosting already included, so it's all in one neat package. WordPress, on the other hand, is a robust open source content management system, CMS, that's been powering a huge chunk of the web for years. It offers extensive customization through thousands of themes and plugins, making it ideal for users who want more control and flexibility, usually those with a bit more experience. While the core software is free, setting up a WordPress site does require separate hosting, domain registration, and often additional plugins to unlock extended functionality. Which tool is actually better for learning how to build a website? For beginners or anyone without technical experience, Hostinger website builder is the way to go. Its drag and drop interface lets you design your site without writing a single line of code. You get access to over 100 designer-made templates, a solid set of elements to spice up your pages, and even AI tools to help you optimize your content, making the whole process fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. WordPress offers a more complex environment to build a website, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. While it gives you unmatched flexibility and control compared to Hostinger, you'll need to get familiar with themes, plugins, and sometimes even dig into how the whole system works behind the scenes. This platform is best suited for those who are willing to invest time into learning and managing the intricacies of WordPress. When it comes to customization, WordPress naturally stands out thanks to its massive ecosystem of themes and plugins. It's no surprise that most of the websites you visit run on WordPress. You can basically create anything. You can transform your site's appearance and functionality to fit even the most specific needs. Hell, you can even customize how the core WordPress system works if that's your thing. But with that kind of flexibility comes responsibility. Managing plugins carefully is a must, since incompatibilities, security issues, or site slowdowns can easily stack up if you're not careful. Hostinger website builder offers a curated selection of customization options. While it won't match the massive library of WordPress, it gives you all the essential tools needed for most small to medium-sized websites. With integrated AI features like a blog generator and an AI SEO optimization tool, you get access to key functionalities without relying on external plugins, which means fewer compatibility issues and less work for you. So, if you're not sure what you'll need or just want something that works out of the box, go with Hostinger. But if you have a clear goal and know exactly what you want to build, WordPress is the way to go. Before we move on, just a quick heads up. There are discount links in the description. If you're planning to grab Hostinger, I highly recommend spending one click to get that extra discount. But hey, totally up to you. So, while yes, this part is going to be all about numbers, let's not forget that performance is a critical factor in both user experience and search engine rankings. Hostinger is a modern website builder, meaning it's optimized for speed and delivers a streamlined experience with impressively quick load times. And honestly, considering the price point, performance like this is kind of surprising. Same goes for uptime, which hit 100% and even under stress testing, it held up. Basically, even the cheapest Hostinger plan will be more than enough until your site really starts to grow. WordPress, being a CMS, can't really be measured the same way. Its performance depends entirely on your hosting provider and how well you optimize your content. With proper setup, WordPress sites can achieve excellent performance, easily outperforming Hostinger's builder in every category. However, you need to know what and how to optimize. And if you're not up for spending hours reading through technical jargon and fine-tuning settings, Hostinger will be the better choice. Or go for the best of both worlds. Hostinger's WordPress hosting. These servers are specifically optimized for WordPress, giving you great performance without the extra hassle. Search engine optimization, or SEO, are those three letters everyone seems to fear. Well, maybe not fear, but definitely get confused by. Still, SEO is crucial for visibility and traffic. You need it if you want to show up on Google. WordPress absolutely shines here with powerful plugins like my personal favorite, Yoast SEO, which gives you in-depth control over all your SEO settings. You can tweak meta tags, generate sitemaps, and even implement advanced strategies to boost your rankings. And the best part? Yoast gives you a checklist that turns green as you optimize your content. Super helpful. Honestly, most of what I know about SEO came from just using Yoast. Hosting your website builder, on the other hand, includes built-in SEO tools that cover the basics: meta title and description editing, sitemap generation, and image alt text support. These features are great for beginners and they'll get the job done early on. But I'll be real, once you start to understand SEO more deeply, the tools can feel a bit restrictive. That said, in Hostinger's defense, they're always rolling out new tools, so more advanced SEO features are probably just around the corner. Next up, website builder versus WordPress. Which one's better for users looking to set up online stores? Well, both platforms offer e-commerce solutions, but if you're just starting out, the Hostinger website builder is honestly perfect. It comes with integrated e-commerce features right out of the box. You can add up to 500 products, set up simple payment options, and manage shipping settings with ease. It's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, especially since Hostinger doesn't take a cut of your transactions. Aside from standard payment processing fees, every dollar goes straight to you. Now, WordPress, when combined with WooCommerce, becomes a full-on e-commerce powerhouse. It's capable of handling large-scale operations with access to advanced features, tons of payment gateways, and extensive customization options. But, and it's a big but, setting up and managing a WordPress store takes more time and technical knowledge. And here's my gripe. A lot of basic functionality requires extra plugins or extra money. Want to customize your checkout page? Install a plugin. Want to let customers rearrange items in their cart? Yep, plugin. It's a powerful system, no doubt, but be prepared for some frustration before everything starts running smoothly. Naturally, cost plays a big role when choosing a platform. Hostinger Website Builder offers an affordable all-in-one package that includes hosting, domain registration, access to the builder, and even full Hostinger WordPress support if you want to switch or use both. Hostinger is one of the cheapest hosting providers out there, packing a lot of value and resources for just a few bucks. The renewal price jump isn't as steep as with some other platforms, and if you use my discount link below, you can grab this cheap website builder even cheaper, like magic. WordPress, on the other hand, is technically free to use, but you need to factor in the extra cost: hosting, premium themes, and plugins. These expenses can add up fast, especially if you're not careful and start subscribing to dozens or hundreds of plugins. If you've got money to spend, you can consider Managed WordPress Hosting, where a technical team takes care of everything behind the scenes. But if you're on a budget, well, you already know what I'm gonna say. Grab Hostinger with my discount. Website security is a huge concern these days, right? A hacked site can lead to stolen user data, financial loss, and serious reputational damage, and nobody wants that. So, is the Hostinger website builder secure? Absolutely. First off, security updates, bug fixes, and patches are handled automatically, so you don't have to worry about staying up to date. Every plan comes with a free SSL certificate to encrypt user data, plus built-in DDoS protection and firewall security to block malicious traffic. And what matters most to me, daily or weekly backups are available depending on your plan, so you can always restore your site if something goes wrong. Now, since WordPress is self-hosted, security is mostly your responsibility, or your hosting providers, depending on who you choose. But don't just leave it fully in someone else's hands. There are excellent security plugins like WordFence or Securi that add firewall protection, malware scanning, and other essential tools. Just keep in mind, outdated themes and plugins can pose serious vulnerabilities, so you'll need to regularly check and update your site. Thankfully, these plugins can auto-update certain elements or email you alerts when something needs your attention. If you're using a hosting provider like Hostinger or Bluehost, you'll also get SSL certificates and basic security monitoring included. But WordPress by itself is pretty bare bones when it comes to security, so you've got to build that safety net yourself. Okay, for the last part of this Hostinger website builder versus WordPress comparison, let's talk about customer support, because at some point you will need it. Whether it's for troubleshooting, fixing a bug, or just needing general help, the time will come. And honestly, I really like Hostinger's support system. First, you get AI chat support, and I know some of you might think that's just a lazy way to avoid real help, but the AI actually does a solid job with basic questions. Not gonna lie, I've started asking the Cody AI stuff instead of Googling it. But second, if the AI doesn't solve your issue, you can request to be redirected to a real human, and these reps are great. They might not be the fastest, but they've solved every issue I've thrown at them. And what's even better, they follow up to check if the error pops up again. That's some real customer dedication right there. WordPress itself doesn't offer direct support because it's an open source platform. That means you'll be rowing your own boat most of the time. You'll need to rely on WordPress forums, your hosting provider's support, or reach out to developers if you run into trouble. That said, since WordPress is so freaking popular, chances are someone has already dealt with the exact issue you're facing. You just have to dig around a bit to find the answer. Alright, we've compared WordPress versus Hostinger from ease of use to security, speed, and customer support. So now, which one is right for you? Choose Hostinger Website Builder if you want an easy, beginner-friendly website building experience, need a fast and lightweight site, don't want to deal with security, updates, or plugin management, and you're building a small business website, portfolio, or personal project. On the other hand, go with WordPress if you need complete control and flexibility, are willing to learn and manage your own hosting, security, and updates, are building a large e-commerce store, blog, or complex site, and want access to thousands of themes and plugins to fully customize your experience. If you're ready to start building, I've got a special discount just for you. Check the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen to get the best deal on both Hostinger Website Builder and WordPress hosting. And before you go, if you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for my full Hostinger review and an in-depth WordPress review. Also, drop your thoughts in the comments. WordPress versus Hostinger. Are you Team H or Team W? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.